In this video, we'll see how to create superposition subcase in Altair SimSolid. Let's begin by loading a SimSolid project. Click on Open Project. Select the file and hit Open to load the project in SimSolid. This project has a few analyses that are predefined and solved for the sake of this tutorial. Let's review the boundary conditions. Select Structural 1. Click on Show Boundary Conditions. The boundary conditions are now graphically shown. Force loads are applied on the two legs of the gripper and an immobile support is applied on the bottom face for Structural 1. Switch to Structural 2. Force loads are applied on the other two legs of the gripper. Let's plot displacement magnitude to see the response of these applied loads. Play the animation. The two loaded legs are moving for Structural 2. Switch to Structural 1. The other two loaded legs are moving here. We will use Structural 1 and 2 to create superposition subcase. Superposition is allowed only for linear subcases in a design study. The post-study option is available only if there are any linear analysis. Structural and thermal superpositions are allowed. Thermal superposition is grayed out here because we don't have any thermal analysis in this project. Let's create a structural superposition. Click on Structural Superposition. All the linear static analyses are listed here. We have Structural 1 and 2. Select both of them and move them to the definition area by clicking on this forward arrow button. The scale factor is editable, but we will use the default scale factor 1 for this superposition. Click on Solve to generate the results for structural superposition 1. It's shown in the project tree. The results can be queried similar to the base subcases. Let's plot displacement magnitude. Play the animation. All four legs are moving here, which is sum of Structural 1 and 2. Switch to the base subcases to compare the results. Structural 1 and 2. Results at specific locations can also be queried. Pick on points of interest. And these results can be saved to a CSV if needed. Let's close this and now see how to create superposition using just one analysis. Bring structural superposition again. Select the subcase of interest. Let's pick Structural 1 and move to the definition area. Change the scale to 2 and hit Solve to generate the results for superposition 2. The results of Structural 1 are multiplied by the scale factor 2 and are posted in the results for superposition 2. Let's plot displacement magnitude. Let's look at the value at one of these points. Let's take the max value. It's 0.33. Switch to Structural 1. The max value here is 0.165, which is half of superposition 2. Thermal superposition can be created similar way if we have thermal subcases in this project.